dumbbell. We're going to do something interesting with this one. We're going to put it underneath the knee. We're going to grip it with that leg so that you're now suspended. How cool is this? So I'm doing this in one that's, waist chest there. So I'm now suspended. Now my right leg's going to go to the side and it's going to kick to the back. And I'm going to use my arms in a similar pattern, except my arms go forwards and my leg goes to the back. Now, this leg stays just up in front and perfectly still. It's not doing anything. It's my right leg that's really busy. So this is what it looks like. So, key teaching point. Pull the knee in to change directions. Really important, because otherwise it becomes a little bit like this. And I don't know what that exercise is. That's another one of those fluffy Aqua moves. Anyway, so you want to make sure that the knee pulls in, which also helps if you indicate that the hands have to come in towards the shoulders before they go in a different direction. So if you focus on either the arm or the leg cue, then you should find a complementary upper or lower body action as well. Hands open, in, push, pull. So always pushing as you would. Notice again I have those famous splayed hands, which I love to create as much force to the water as possible. Also the speed's pretty important, because if I go like this and go like that, that's a lovely maybe rehabilitative exercise, but it's giving me no sort of real physical benefits. My heart rate's not going up, my muscles don't feel like they're working very hard, and so it's really a range of motion exercise, which once again would be something that we use for rehabilitative purposes. You've got to move at tempo, you've got to move quickly for you to really feel that abdominal engagement to help with creating a force to kick that fast and pull the knees in that quickly, and with the upper body. So one of those exercises is a cool variation if you want to do something that's suspended. I find that my clients, they're a bit nervous about having their feet off the bottom of the pool, don't mind doing this because they can always put that foot down if they're not sure. So it's an interesting thing to experiment with, perhaps with some of your clients that are a little bit nervous, but they know that they can always put that foot back down the bottom of the pool. So, of course, you do it on one side, then you do it on the other side, like this. You might have something in between that helps you change sides. Cool exercise. Really like this a lot. Do it with lots of my faster tracks because you can move pretty quickly with it. And that's this week's Aqua tip. Again, demonstrating a dumbbell underneath the knee with a kicking action is quite a challenge. Firstly, you need something. You can't do this standing here and then somehow levitate yourself off the ground. So let's take the chair option first. Either one's not going to be the best, but you're going to do the very best you can with some other communication strategies. So, put the dumbbell underneath, and I'll say my left leg to begin with. You're going to kick your leg to the side, and then kick your leg to the back, right? So obviously I'm holding the dumbbell here. Or you can say, put the dumbbell underneath your knee, push it out to the side. Now with your right leg, you're going to kick the leg to the side, to the back, to the side, to the back. So that's another way of doing it. You can also use the frame. So with the frame, you say put the dumbbell underneath your knee, and then what I do is I hook my foot around this part of the frame, because then I feel a bit more secure, and then I demonstrate this. Now, been using the frame for a long time, so I also feel a little bit more comfortable about demonstrating what the arms would do as I'm moving that leg. Now, remember the 2 points that were so important in the order. You've got to indicate that the knee comes into the chest. You've got to pull the knee into the chest, and you've got to bring the hands right back into the body to make sure that that knee comes up too, right? Palms go out, palms go in, palms go out, palms come in. So push, pull, push, pull. Now, you work out your exercises in the water first, so you know that it's appropriate for the tempo of the music that you've chosen to do that exercise with. So, to be honest with you, I'm one of those instructors that actually plans a class to fit in with the music. So that exercise actually goes with a specific track. I don't really use music as something that's in the background, knowing that an exercise will work, because as mentioned with this one, you need a certain tempo to make it happen. So I want to make sure the tempo's right for this exercise, otherwise, as I mentioned before, it's just a relaxation exercise. So when I'm on deck and I'm demonstrating to the tempo of music, I know it works. That's why I'm that specific about it. Well, it's just me, right? You might be the same, or you might not be. Who knows, right? So choose your music appropriately for this, otherwise they will not feel a thing. It's a very easy exercise. So it's got to be quick, and they've got to pull their knee in. So think about telling them how far. I usually say, pull your knee in about that far away from your body. So you're coming all the way in, so you can almost feel your thigh touch your torso. And that's how I would demonstrate this exercise on land.